Suspect detained in relation to Danielle Anglin's disappearance as cops await forensic tests to determine if skeleton remains found in Clarendon or that of the teacher. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A body believed to be that of a missing school teacher, 29-year-old Danielle Anglin, has been found near Salt River in Clarendon. The St. Peter Claver Primary and Infant School teacher has been missing since May the 13th. It is further reported that a suspect has been detained in relation to the disappearance of the 29-year-old school teacher Danielle Anglin, who has been missing for some days. The suspect is said to be a convicted sexual offender and a driver for an international ride-sharing company which provides transport services in Jamaica. The police also found human skeleton remains in a densely vegetated area of Clarendon district near Salt River in Clarendon on Monday. The Deputy Commissioner in charge of crime and the security portfolio, Mr. Fitzbailey, said that the police are awaiting the results of a forensic test to determine if the remains are that of Anglin. In a video statement on the Jamaica Constabulary Force Instagram page on Monday, Mr. Fitzbailey said that Anglin was last seen alive on May the 13th when she left her home for school at around 5:50 a.m.
Tuesday, May 14, 2024, about 5 p.m. Miss Danielle Anglin, a 29-year-old teacher of a corporate area primary school and of a Helshaw Park, Portmore, St. Catherine address, was reported missing to the St. Catherine South Police by her parents. Miss Anglin reported left her house on Monday, May 13, 2024, about 5:50 a.m. en route to school and had not been seen or heard from since. An investigative team was assembled consisting of St. Catherine South Criminal Investigation Branch, led by the St. Catherine South Crime Officer, and supported by the Communication Forensic and Cybercrime Division, CFCD, Scenes of Crime, and Criminal Investigation Branch Headquarters, CIB Headquarters. As part of the investigations, the team visited her community and her school and conducted a number of interviews. The team also utilized available technologies and forensic capabilities which allowed for identification of a number of vehicles which were assessed and analyzed, and with skill application of their training, identify a vehicle of interest. The driver of the vehicle was subsequently identified and taken into custody following investigations. Again, with the use of technologies, we were able to identify a location in Salt River in Clarendon as the last identifiable location that Miss Anglin was in. As a direct result, a number of searches were done within sections of St. Catherine and Clarendon. On Monday, June 3rd, 2024, about 6:30 a.m., police made a discovery of human skeletal remains in a section of Salt River in the parish of Clarendon. It is still too early in our investigation to state definitively that it is Miss Anglin's body, and thus we await the findings of the forensic team. Given the weight of the evidence collected thus far, the suspect in the matter has since given a statement to the police admitting his involvement. I want to point out that this specific suspect was arrested and charged sometime about 2015 by the police for sexual offenses. He was also convicted in Antigua for sexual offenses and deported to Jamaica. We appeal to the public, if you have any information that can assist with this case and any other, please reach out to 119 or the nearest police station.
According to the police, following a missing persons report being filed, an investigative team was formulated. It comprises of St. Andrew South Criminal Investigation Branch, the CIB, the Communication Forensic and Cyber Division, the CFCD, the Scenes of Crime Division, and the Criminal Investigation Branch, the CIB headquarters. The team also utilizes available technologies and forensic capabilities, which follows the identification of a number of vehicles which were assessed and analyzed, and then with the skill application of their training identify a particular vehicle of interest, said Bailey. He elaborated that the driver of the vehicle was subsequently identified and taken into custody following the investigation. Using technology once more, Bailey said that the police were able to identify a location in Salt River, Clarendon, as the last identifiable location that Miss Anglin was in.
In terms of the timeline of the investigation, there is a window of opportunity that we know closes very quickly. Based off of the information that you've been able to get, how soon after her disappearance do you think she was, if this is in fact the
We believe that she was killed the same day when she disappeared. She was picked up by the suspect. We have identified that she was picked up by the suspect. I can also say that with the help of Jamaica High, we were able to identify a specific route which the motor car that she was in traveled. We were able to identify some special items through the Jamaican Eyes system. And so we believe that she was taken to the location. And based on the analysis that was done by CFCD, we believe that she was taken to that specific location and killed.
Was this case random? How did she end up in this vehicle?
So it is our information that the suspect operates one of those rideshare service. One of the challenges that we are faced with as investigators is we do not have any local based association or organization that we can contact when investigating cases involving these type of services. And it is something that I will be taking up with the relevant authority to ensure that more structure is put in place to treat with these type of association or organization. It is posing a serious challenge to our investigative effort.
Final question, what is the likelihood of charging this?
Well, based on where we are now in our investigation, we are satisfied and we are convinced that we have the right person in custody. And it's just a matter of time for the various processes, administrative processes, to take place. Then we can speak further. But I am not going to speak specifically to the person being charged. We have some processes that must be followed. He has to get his counsel. He'll be subject to a formal interview, etc. But we are satisfied, based on our investigation, that we have the right person. The motor vehicle that he drove was processed, and we are awaiting the result from the lab in respect to that.
According to the police, the suspect's identity is being withheld pending further investigation. Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.